Good morning, children. In the previous video or the previous class, we discussed about the different types of forest which we can found in India. Okay, children. So these are the areas where we can find the mountainous forest. These are the areas of evergreen forest in the Assam side and in the Western Ghats areas. And children's, these are the areas of deciduous forest area. This area covers deciduous forest, and parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan and Haryana and parts of Punjab are covered the thorn forest, and this area covered the tidal forest or the mangroves forest. Okay, and children's forests are very important, so we have to save the forest. Okay, nowadays children's human beings are cutting trees on a large scales. Okay, the cutting downs of more trees, more and more of trees is called an deforestation. So we have to protect our forests, not only because they are useful to us, but because we also depend our survivals with forest. Okay, and children, we can protect our forest in two ways, like afforestations and reforestations. Afforestations means planting trees in an area that was not a forest earlier is called an afforestations, and planting trees on a deforested land is called an reforestations. Okay, children, the area which was not earlier on forest on, and on this area when we can plant trees, this is known as an afforestations. And the forest reforestations means the area which was already a forest and it was a deforested land, when we can plant trees on that deforested land is called an reforestations. Okay, and children's wild animals, India have a large variety of wild animals. Okay, in India we can find many animals like deer, tiger, elephant, hog, greater one horn rhinoceros, Indian wild asses. Many animals we can find in our forest of India. Okay, and thus but children's, in the past few years of peoples are hunted many wild animals, so many animals now it became going to be extinct. Okay, so now government has imposed and government has banned of hunting, and it is a crime. And now government is now banned it, hunting is now banned in our countries. And our government also decided to protect wild animals and save the forest, so government has set up many national parks and wildlife sanctuary forests all over and in different parts of our country India. Okay, children. And children's, a national park means a national park is an area where we reserve we reserve for preserving wildlife. Okay, and forest and the natural beauty of this area. And children's, wildlife sanctuary means is an area where we reserved for endangered animals. Okay, children, national park is an area reserved for preserving wildlife, forest and natural beauty of the region, whereas wildlife sanctuary is an area reserved for endangered animals. Okay, and children's, in India elephant and greater one horned rhinoceros are protected at the Kaziranga and Manasa National Park in Assam. Children, this is the pictures of greater one horned rhinoceros and elephant. You can identify the elephant. Okay, children, and this rhinoceros, one horned rhinoceros and elephants are protected at the Kaziranga National Park. This is Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park. Underline this both these national parks. Okay, and these are the national parks which are kept to protect elephant and greater one horned rhinoceros. These two national parks are located in the states of Assam. Okay, and children's, Asiatic lion lives in Gir National Forest, not forest, Gir National Park in Gujarat. See, children, this is the Gir National Park. Underline this Gir National Park. It is lived in the state of Gujarat, and in this Gir National Park we can mostly found Asiatic lions. Okay, and children's Sundarban in West Bengal. This is Sundarban. Underline this Sundarban area. Sundarban is home to the Bengal tigers, and the tigers also. It is a home to the Royal Bengal tigers. But other than the Sundarban area, children's Jim Corbett and Jim Corbett, it is in Uttarakhand. Sorry, it is in Uttarakhand, and Ranthambore National Park, it is in Rajasthan. Underline all these national parks. Okay, children. In this Sundarban area, is famous for, and it is the home to the Royal Bengal tigers, and other tigers are also protected in Jim Corbett National Park and Ranthambore National Park. Okay, and children's, this is the pictures of snow leopard. Snow leopard are found in the Great Himalayan Park National Park. Great Himalayan National Park is in the state of Himachal Pradesh, and this snow leopard are protected in the Great Himalayan National Park, and it is mostly found, and it is also protected on that national park. Okay, and children's, the Run of Kutch. The Run of Kutch is in Gujarat, is home to the Indian wild asses. These are the pictures. This is the pictures of Indian wild asses, and this is mostly we can found, and it is the home. Run of Kutch is the home to the Indian wild asses. Okay, and children's, birds are not only the animals, but birds are also protected in some bird sanctuary forest. Okay, like Sultanpur and Ranganathi, two bird sanctuary forests are also kept are also protect birds. Okay, and this children's Nathitu is a bird sanctuary forest. It is in the state of Karnataka. Underline this, children. Okay, and this is also an important bird sanctuary forest. It is located in the states of Karnataka. Okay, children, and this children's you can found this Kana National Forest, Chilika Lakes. These are the also a national park and sanctuaries forest. You can find out why Kana National Forest and Chilika Lake Forest are famous. Okay, what is the importance of this forest or this Kana National Park and Chilika National Sanctuary Forest? Why it is famous? Which type of animals are protected in this two forests? It is your homework to find out. Okay, children.